Class 2, entitled Math Magic 2. This is the Chapter 13, The Longest Step. From page 104 to 110. Page 104. This page has a picture of a rabbit, an elephant, and a deer playing in the park and talking to each other. There is also a pond and a stone bridge in the picture. Let's read the page to know more about the game they are playing. 3 friends, a rabbit, an elephant, and a deer, were playing together in a park. Deer says, "Let us see who crosses the stone bridge first." Rabbit responds excitedly, "Yes, it will be fun." Elephant says, "But both of you run fast and I move slowly. I know that one of you would cross the bridge first." "I don't want to play the game." Rabbit suggests, "Don't worry, let's make a rule. We will not run, we will walk." Page 105. The game played by 3 friends continues on this page. There is also an additional activity on this page. Let's begin reading this page. They started the game. Surprisingly, at the end, the elephant won. Question 1. Can you tell why the elephant won? Question 2. Who takes the biggest step? Question 3. Act out this story. Activity. There is a picture of a girl and a boy in the park where 2 benches are placed facing each other, with some distance in between. The girl is sitting on the bench at the left side. There is a bird under the bench and some flowers behind the bench. The boy is standing in front of the bench at the right side and is saying, "I sit here. I will find out how far my friend is sitting." Step 1. Make a group of 3 to 4 friends. Find out by drawing lines whose step is the longest. Step 2. Find the distance between A. the door and any window of your class. B. The blackboard and where you are sitting. Page 106. This page is divided into 3 parts. Each part has a picture and questions. Let's begin reading this page. Part 1. Hands or fingers? Rajat wants to find out the length of a few things. Using his handspan. These are shown in the picture. The picture shows Rajat standing in front of a table, holding a cricket bat in his hands. There is a pencil, a sharpener, and an eraser on the table. A matchbox is under the table and a math magic book kept at the side of the table. Question 1. Can he use a handspan to find the length of all these? Question 2. Which things around you are less than your handspan? Name them. Question 3. What would you use to find the length of those things? Part 2. Activity. Make a mud house. See whose mud house is higher. You can also use your finger to find how high your mud house is. The picture shows a girl and a boy working on their mud house on a table. Question 1. Who made the highest mud house? Question 2. Whose mud house is the smallest? Part 3. Make a guess. See these 2 coconut trees? If the bigger tree is 6 meters high, about how high is the smaller tree? The picture on the left side shows 2 coconut trees standing side by side. One is high and other is about half of first one. Page 107. Check your guess. This page has a picture and a table with 3 columns. Let's begin reading this page. There is a small picture of a teacher writing on the blackboard. Her back with a long plate is visible. Two students are guessing the length of the plate. One is saying, "How long is Madam's plate?" At the left-hand side, there is a question that reads, "Guess the length of the things shown below. Find the length to check your answer." Beneath this, there is a table with 3 columns. Column 1 presents the name and picture of the item. Column 2 is titled My Guess. Here you have to write your guess for the item in the table. And column 3 is For My Result. Here you have to write actual measurement taken by you. Let's read the table row-wise. Row 1. Column 1, name of the thing, glass. Column 2, my guess, dash, fingers. Column 3, my result, dash, fingers. Row 2. Column 1, name of the thing, bucket. Column 2, my guess, dash, hands, pans. Column 3, my result, dash, hands, pans. Row 3. Column 1, name of the thing, your hand. Column 2, my guess, dash, matchsticks. Column 3, my result, dash, matchsticks. Row 4. Column 1, name of the thing, teacher's table. Column 2, my guess, dash, hands, pans. Column 3, my result, dash, hands, pans. Row 5. Column 1, name of the thing, your nose. Column 2, my guess, dash, fingers. Column 3, my result, dash, fingers. Row 6. Column 1, name of the thing, water bottle. Column 2, my guess, dash, fingers. Column 3, my result, dash, fingers. Row 7. Column 1, name of the thing, your hair. Column 2, my guess, dash, hands, pans. Column 3, my result, dash, hands, pans. Footnote. Demonstrate the correct use of units like fingers, hands, pans, and matchsticks. Ask children to take an object and measure it using different units. Page 108. Cat's food. rat or milk? There is a picture on this page and few questions. Let's begin reading this page. The picture shows a hut at the top left side and a cat sitting on the opposite side at some distance away from that house. The cat is looking at a rat sitting at bottom center near a bowl of milk. Question 1. Use your fingers to find out the distance between the rat and the milk. Dash fingers. Question 2. How far is the cat from the rat? Dash fingers. Question 3. How far is the cat from the milk? Dash fingers. Question 4. What will the cat reach first, the rat or the milk? Question 5. Can the rat save itself? How? Question 6. Tell a story using this picture. Question 7. How long is the rat's tail? Dash fingers. Question 8. Who has longer whiskers, the rat or the cat? Page 109. Measure and draw. There is a picture on this page and few questions. Let's begin reading this page. The picture shows an ant sitting beside a stone at the top right side of the picture and a monkey walking on the tree branch at the bottom left side of the picture. Question 1. Draw a leaf 2 fingers away from the stone. Question 2. Draw a banana 5 matchsticks away from the monkey. Question 3. Draw a kite 7 fingers away from the stone. Question 4. Draw a cloud 3 matchsticks away from the kite. Question 5. Draw a bird 4 fingers away from the banana. Question 6. Draw yourself anywhere on the page. Find how far you are from the monkey's nose. Footnote: let children measure and draw in any direction from the given reference object. They will measure distances in different directions. This can form the basis for a discussion on directions. Page 110. Is that so? This page has 3 pictures showing conversation of Sanju and her friends. Let's begin reading this page. Sanju and her friends were trying to find out the length of their different body parts. Here is what they found out. Sanju: my face is about 1 handspan long. The picture 1 shows Sanju measuring his face with his handspan. In picture 2, boy is measuring his leg with his arm and he is saying, "My arm is not as long as my leg." In picture 3, a girl is measuring her forehead with her fingers and saying, "My forehead is about 4 fingers wide." Question A. Do you agree with what they said? Question B. Check how many of your friends have. One. A face 1 handspan long. 2. The arm as long as the leg. 3. A forehead 4 fingers wide. Question C. You can try and measure other body parts with your fingers and write their length. One. Your nose is dash fingers long. 2. Your ear is dash fingers long. Footnote: the estimates of body proportions given here are rough. This exercise is only to carry out measurement using body parts. And not to make any general claims about body proportions.